Cal BHP UK, and we have a long-standing customer, a gentleman called Meatball from over Manchester way. Brings all his bikes to us. Today he's bought an F900 XR. This is BMW's parallel twin. The ECU architecture and the mapping techniques we use are pretty much identical, regardless of the bike or model that BMW have put that particular engine in. So we're very, very familiar with it. It's an ECU that we're very familiar with. We've been working with these for a very long time. This particular bike has come to us fitted with Black Widow headers and an Akrapovic end cam. So we're going to do what we always do, get it run up on the dyno, get it fueling and riding perfectly, sort out all that bottom end so Meatball can go and enjoy this bike on his local roads. So the Euro 5 Plus BMW XR, there is quite a little bit of difference in the background, so when we're mapping these over the Euro 5 bike, but we've got a lot of experience with this particular ECU and the way that BMW set them up, so it wasn't too much of a challenge. As far as the top end power is concerned, we gained a massive 3 horsepower, so I'm not really going to set your world on fire, but obviously that's not really where we look to see the improvements on a bike like this. Where we do see the improvements is at the bottom end at 25%. You can see here we've gone up from 36 brake horsepower to 46. But more importantly, if you look at the fueling plot at the bottom, we've gone from the bike running Lambda 1 to an air fuel ratio of 13.2. It really helps out how well the bike responds on the throttle, how fast it comes onto the power. When we look at the torque plots, even the standard blue torque plot, you can see that BMW have designed the mechanics of this engine really well. You get a really smooth, flat torque delivery. But what we have been able to do by adding that extra fuel back in at 25% acceleration opening, the bike's gone up from 37 to 41 newton meters of torque. Although the numbers aren't huge, it is actually a very tangible improvement of 10% extra torque whenever you're at low throttle openings. That really does translate into a massive improvement as to how the bike rides at partial throttle openings. This bike currently isn't available on our ECU Flasher, but we do offer a posting service where you can post your ECU to us and we'll modify it in-house, send it back to you, and you can just refit it back to your bike. It may well become available on our Flasher shortly, so please do watch your space and we'll keep you posted. Which is a really good tie into why you should subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon, because it really will help us out, and on top of that it keeps you notified of all the new developments in this fairly rapidly changing industry.